morning, everybody. It is May 2nd, Sunday, day 23. I just left Mollies Ridge, headed to Derrick Knob Shelter tonight. I think it's like 11 or 12 miles. Whoa, look at all the flowers. It's crazy. Looks like snow. About 4.5 miles in for the day. Just stopped and had lunch. It started sprinkling a little bit, so put on our rain stuff and we're continuing. Having a rough day today. I think I might be coming down with something, or I'm just tired. I haven't really slept very well over the past couple nights. My mat isn't working out. I gotta figure something else out with my mat. But 8 more miles, and yeah, hopefully I can try to get a good night's sleep tonight. It's supposed to rain pretty bad tonight and all day tomorrow from what I hear, so we'll see. Lots of steep inclines and descents, and on rocks mainly. I twisted my ankle, fell, twisted my other ankle. Took so many breaks today because it was just really tough, and we're at really high elevation, so it's hard for me to breathe, and the weather was all over the place. I probably changed shirts like 5 times back and forth between hot and cold. Anyway, like 0.3 from camp for the evening, and I cannot freaking wait.